So first...
You gonna say hi, Liberty?
Hi.
Hi. What are we doing?
First, you get 1 cup, leveled cup.
That's a teaspoon, isn't it?
Yeah, leveled teaspoon of baking soda. Then pour it in the volcano. Then pat it down.
Okay. Then we need some dish soap, right?
Yes.
Oop. That way it's foamy, like lava. Okay.
Then we need food coloring. Red food coloring.
Put what? We put 8 drops in last time.
Then stir it up.
Use a spoon. That one we already used that one for it. You gotta scrape it off on the sides because it gets kind of pasty. There you go, do a little more right here. There we go.
Then after you stir it up, you get some vinegar. One spoonful of vinegar. Then the volcano starts erupting.
And just keep adding more vinegar, right?
Yep.
Oh, just dump some in and make it look cool. Wow.
Then you can put as much vinegar as you want. After it's all done, you can do it again. More.
More? It's covering the Tau village. All the Tau people are getting burned up. Oh no. Their homes are getting covered.